Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Mercedes-Benz GLK. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mercedes-Benz has less than 125,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.